Hi everyone, welcome into Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will be showing how to generate report in Cypress. Report help us quickly understand test results and they are very useful for debugging and sharing with the team. So let's begin. Step 1. Install Mocha package. Break install this package. This is the step 1. Copy this command. Open VS Code and enter here npm install. This is the command for installing this Mocha package. We will generate the report by using this package. I have already installed, so here you can view this package already installed. Now, step 2, we need to make some changes in our configuration file. Step 2, configuration for report. Open Cypress config.js and enter here reporter and then enter mocha b sum and then comma he order options and then bracket here. Now we will define our configuration here. First, we need to define the route in which the report will be set. So here enter report directory and then enter the location in which the report will be saved. Suppose we want to save the report here Cypress and then create a new folder inside this Cypress folder. Now after enter the part of the report, we need to define here our right. Suppose we want to overwrite the report, so we will need to enter here too. Otherwise, enter here overwrite is equal to false, and we want to generate the report in HTML format. So there enter HTML true and then JSON false. This is the configuration for generating the report. Save this configuration, open this test file. You will take this example for reporting the generation. So here, first it will navigate to the URL, enter this data into these fields, first name, last name, address, phone number, username, enter the password and then enter the repeat password and then tap on the submit button. For generating the report, we need to run our test in idleness pod. So here enter npx cypress run. For running the test in headless mode, we need to enter the command npx cypress run dash spec and then enter this test file location. Right click here, copy relative paths. Enter the path here. You can enter this path in code. After enter the paths, enter the browser lecture. Suppose we want to run our test in Chrome browser. So here enter browser and then just Chrome. Now our test will be running in headless mode. In this scenario, first it will navigate to the URL and then enter these details in the following fields. Here we are getting some error, cannot run the spec files were found. Remove this double quote and then run the test again because we added some spaces here. Here you can we added some spaces here. So remove these spaces, enter comma here, and then into big comma. Now again run the test. Test is running. Running registration. This is the file name registration.site.js. After running the test, as you can view, in previous tutorial I have explained about the capturing video in Cypress. We just need to enter video is equal to true. If you set the video true, it means the screenshot will be captured. If you set false, then video should not be captured. Now, our report has been successfully generated. As you can view inside this Cypress folder, one folder has been created, which is reports. Let's open this report, and this report will be saved in this location, cypress/reports. Open this folder, Cypress. Inside the Cypress, one folder has been created. Open this reports folder and then click on this report. As you can view in this scenario, only we have total one test case. So there one test case, and this is the time of the execution, 15.3 second. This is the execution time, like here, and here multiple filters are available. We can filter our test. If you click all this toggle button, can you hear no test is displayed? But here we can enable, if n test case failed, we can enable or disable this toggle button, and this is the show pending, show skipped, visit to the website. If I click here, we can view all the step here. Open the configuration file. Here you can view we set our write is equal to false. It means if we execute our test case second time, then another report will be generated here. If we set our write is equal to false, then it will generate another report. If we set true, it means a new file will be generated in this folder. On execution, the test report will be replaced if we set our write is equal to true. Now, make some changes here because we need to enter the unique data. So let's change some data here in the first name field, and same as well enter the some unique data in the user field. Now, again run the test. In this scenario, an other report will be generated into this folder, report folder. Now, test is running. First, it will navigate to the URL and then enter these details into the following fields and then tap on the submit button. As you can do running registration, visit to the website, enter the details, and then tap on the submit button. This is the configuration. If you set HTML true, then report will be generated in true. If you set JSON is equal to true, then you can view in JSON format. Now open this folder and other report have been generated. Open this port, and this is the second report because We set here overwrite is equal to false. That is for Pure tutorial on report generation in Cypress. I hope this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe to SK World for more helpful testing tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.